Alright guys, how you doing? In that last video, when we had this X-Maxx up Sandy Hills, it started going slow and not really sounding that good. And me being me, I just carried on running it and carried on running it, and eventually it stopped and it looked like a little bit of smoke came out of the motor. I've got another motor laying around that I killed a little while ago, sometime last year, and that's been laying around. Hopefully, I can make one good motor out of the two. Alright, so this is an 8S X-Maxx, but I'm running the 6S motor. Reason being, it's a lot faster, a little bit more power, and I just kind of like the way that they run, especially when they're on 8S. So to start off with, let's just get this thing out of here. I always see in the comments that people laugh at the way that I say motor. Here in England, especially the area that I come from, a lot of the times we don't pronounce our T's. So instead of saying motor, we say motor. Or instead of saying hot water bottle, we say hot water bottle. So sometimes that's because it sounds like that. So I don't know, how am I supposed to say it? Motor, motor, or motor, or motor. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments. How do you want me to pronounce it? Officially, it's supposed to be called a motor. So the Americans are not really saying it right neither, because they call it a motor. So instead of calling it a T, they call it a D. So I don't know. We're all saying it wrong, I guess. Why is this not coming out? Some things stinks. Oh, something smells. Oh God, what's happened? Oh jeez. I can't get that cover off. That is wedged on there for some reason. I don't know why. Right, something definitely is not right. I can smell it. It stinks. The whole thing stinks. Oh, that stinks bad. So could that smell be actually coming from in here? Well, that moves nice. Yeah, that doesn't feel right, guys. That definitely feels stiff. So let's crack that motor open, have a look what's going on in there. Right, that's it, I'm getting a hammer. Right, this temperature wire in here, guys, you've got to make sure that you look after that, because if that breaks and it's not looking too healthy, what can happen is that you lose all your power. It smells bad. Guys, that really stinks in there. And I don't know what part of it is bad. I mean, that has melted a little bit there. Still got good magnetism though. Look in here, guys, look. We've got some melted solder. So, and it definitely looks a bit black in there, so I would say this pot here, guys, is toast. The bearings move nice. Yeah, that bearing moves nice. I don't know. I'll just let it get too hot, didn't I? Alright, so I've got a bag here of a couple of other motors that have died. This one... it looks alright. Yeah, look in there. You can see this one here definitely got a bit warm. I know another one of these will let overheat over the time. One of these have definitely been overheated before in the past, but I can't remember which one it was. Which one would you say is the good one? Well, I know one of these motors I've melted before, and another one, the only thing that went wrong is that this come away from the inside, so this was spinning on the shaft, and the one that overheated, it lost all the magnetism. Yeah, magnet there feels... Oh yeah, see that one? Magnetism's gone. That one's dead. This one here, the shaft come away from the actual rest of the thing, so the shaft just spins on side that, so that's sort of lost drive on that one. So this magnet here still got the magnetism. That part of it's good. This is the one that's just come off, and that one's melted. And then I've got these two here. I can't remember which one is good and which one is bad. So I'm going to take it that this one's better because this one's rusty inside and this one isn't. Bearing feels good. Put that in there. This bearing looks better on this one, so we'll put that one in there. Yeah, it turns nice. Feels a lot better than it did before anyway. Put it back together and hope for the best. Alright, so before we put it all back in, maybe it would be a good idea just to plug him in. I'm not sure, guys. I'm really not sure. Well, I think I'm going to put it in there anyway. Hope for the best. If it doesn't work, I've got this other can here to give a go. See if that works. And then if it still doesn't work, then I guess I'll just have to bite the bullet and buy a new motor. Well, she feels smooth again. When these are loose, guys, it can run really bad. It can start cogging, it can start giving you all sorts of problems. You want to make sure that these are a nice fit. Sometimes, guys, something feels really hard to get in. Put a pair of gloves on, and it just makes it a lot easier. Alright, we're in. Hopefully this wire isn't too damaged, because if it is, we'll start going into limp mode. Alright, moment of truth. Is it dead or is it alive? Tyres off the rim a bit, guys. We have to glue that back on. And looking in here, guys, this fan in here is dead. This one in here is not moving at all. And this one here is just stupidly noisy. Listen to that. So there you have it, guys. It does work again. I'm not sure for how long, because that motor didn't sound too happy while I was holding it in my hand. It did sound a little bit rough. I mean, I did put a little bit of oil down into the bearings, and I did make it a little bit quieter. So hopefully that's going to be alright. So alright, guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Actually, outside at the moment it's snowing, so if the snow still settles for tomorrow, we'll take it out and have a little blast in the snow. Alright, guys, see you soon. Pew.